Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds Pro 4 with your iPhone. You have to start by open Settings and then go to the Bluetooth. After that, open the charging case and of course make sure that your Bluetooth turned on. So open the charging case. At the right side we have connectional button, so you need to press and hold this connectional button until the LED lights start blinking white and you will hear a sound. So press and hold. Here we go. We just entered to pairing mode, so we should see them at the device list. Right here we have them. You need to tap on them. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!